Tears of the Kingdom, horse enhancements made easy, including all menus and recipes. First are the statistics on some of these horses. And you'll notice that Blackfoot has 5 stars for every attribute. Siksika has 5 stars for every attribute. But then if you look at the other end of the list, we've got 1 for strength. So this one not doing so good. We might want to improve him. This one here has got 2s for almost everything. Might want to improve this one. Okay, so where do we do this? Up in the northeast of the map, there's a shrine called Jochi-Iu Shrine. Okay, if you open up that shrine, you've got a fast travel point, and we can go down to the stable, East Akala Stable. And I prefer to do this where I'm just going to ride to the horse god, Malayna. And Malayna Spring is north of the stable, and there's a path. So I'm not going to show you how to get there, but there is a path from the stable to the spring. So I'm choosing to ride on Blackfoot. Now when we get to the spring, the horse god will come up when we press the A button and ask us what we want to improve. Right, so we have strength, speed, stamina, and pull that can be improved on this horse. And if you look in the necessary resources, it says fried wild greens. That's my meal. And I have 1 of those in my inventory, and I need 1. So it shows up in white because I have what's necessary. As opposed to, if I wanted to enhance speed, those resources are in red. I don't have those. I need to cook those meals, and I need 3 of each. Same thing with stamina, and the same thing with pull. It is important to note that not every horse can be improved. Some examples, and these are not all of them, but some examples are the giant white horse cannot be improved. The other giant horse cannot be improved. Epona cannot be improved. So let's take a look at the menu. I'm going to leave this up for about 30 seconds so you have adequate time to make a screenshot. That would be my recommendation. That way you don't have to look at all these different websites or different videos to see each thing individually like some people are doing. So I have compiled all of this just from playing the game and seeing what the horse god says. This has been Talon with Old Guy Stuff on Busy Corner Lane. I hope this helps people out. Hit like and subscribe and all that other jazz. Have a safe, happy, peaceful, wonderful day, and goodbye.